Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do today is just take a couple minutes and introduce you to another product that we handle. This is in the compact category from Viper, the model 5160. This is a 20-inch self-propelled auto scrubber. Viper is a division of Nilfisk, and they have three different lines: Advanced, Clark, and Viper. And Viper is their value division, if you will. But when I show you all the features on this machine, you are getting a lot of great features, very durable for an exceptional low price. Let me take a couple minutes and I'll show you and talk to you a little bit about it. As I said, this is a 20-inch scrubber. This is a traction driver, self-propelled with speed control. You have two separate tanks on this particular model. One of the big differences in other machines in the 20-inch category that are normally 10 or 11 gallons, this has got a 16-gallon capacity. So if you have a lot of scrubbing to do and you really want to improve your productivity so you're not dumping and refilling often, this is definitely a model to take a look at. You've got a small footprint, but it holds 16 gallons. As I said, it's got a 20-inch scrub path. You can get it with either a brush or a pad holder, depending on the surface. They've added a floating skirt, so as you go along, this splash skirt keeps the water and solution from splashing out, but it simply floats depending on the contour of your floor. Again, many machines in this category, you're not going to have that. So there's a nice added value that it included is a splash skirt. They've added a couple rollers here on the right side. The head's offset a little bit. So now I can scrub along walls, racking, equipment, get up real close. This is going to protect your walls and the machine and give me a nice tight scrub. You're maybe an inch off of the edge of that brush. So you're always scrubbing on the right side. This has got two separate tanks. Some of the compact machines in this category you're going to see are all one mold. And that's fine, but by having two separate compartments, number one, I've got more capacity. Number two, by simply lifting this up, I can now access for my battery maintenance, which is critical on any battery-powered machine. This machine comes standard with wet acid batteries flooded. You can get it with AGM, and you can have different sizes depending on the runtime. But as I said, your clean soap and water is in the bottom, fills up around, and you fill it up right here at the front. They've also included a screen to make sure we don't get any trash down into the solution tank. They put a little port so you can put your hose or your mixing system when you're filling it up. And then the cap goes on. But as I said, now you can see where the battery compartment is. This is your upper tank. So this also holds 16 gallons. This is where the dirty water is going to go. Again, they've designed it so I can flip this out of the way once I've drained the dirty water if I need to do my battery maintenance. The next thing you're going to see is large opening. So this opens up to give me easy access inside of the recovery tank. I can get in there and flush out the dirty water. They've added the float ball is inside of here to shut off so I don't get liquid into my vac motor. And they've put this cup on here so I don't get foam. Foam and dust is the number one thing that damages vacuum motors. So by having this inside the tank, there is a float ball in it, so as the liquid fills up that's dirty, it'll eventually lift the ball and block it from going down into the vac motor. But if you have a lot of foam in your detergent, we don't want that getting sucked into the vac motor. So again, a nice feature, works extremely well, easy to take apart and maintain. Put it back on, give it a little twist, and it's there. Another little something is they've attached the lid to the machine. So they put a nice hinge on it. So when I open it up, this is something that's not going to be thrown on the floor, damaged, stepped on, but it stays with the machine. When I'm ready to scrub, it just sits right on top. So again, a lot of little features on this machine, so a lot of extra value for the price. As I spin it around, you can easily see there's a solution filter which needs to be checked periodically. Very easy to access and to clean and service the machine. Big, large cushion tires, so they're non-marking. but they are cushioned, so if you're on tile, you're not going to get that clunk, clunk, clunk that you've probably heard on other machines. Big heavy casters in the back. As I spin it around, again, this is a 20-inch machine. It has a simple foot pedal to drop the head down and to put the brush onto the floor, push down, and it raises up. So again, made it very simple, not a lot of extra mechanics involved, just a simple foot pedal. As we look in the back, you'll see it's very clean. You've got the handle to drop the squeegee, which now would be engaged on the floor when I'm ready to dry the floor. The charger is built inside of here, and it's a simple connection right there. And it plugs into a regular 110, and you store the cord with the machine. You see you've got 3 resets here, so in case there's an overload on one of the motors, one of these are going to pop, which prevents the machine or the motor from being damaged. But now I can look and see what's caused that. Last thing here in the back is your drain hose. So simply by pulling this off, I can bend it, slow down the flow, drop it down to the floor drain, and this is my drain hose. So again, when it's time to drain the dirty water out of the tank, inside you may not have seen, there's a very low spot. So all the dirty water is going to go to the lowest point. Then I simply pull this off. I can squeeze it, turn the cap, drop it down, and now I'm dumping the dirty water. When I'm done, tighten the cap, pull it up. So again, it's very tight and neat up onto the machine. The squeegee, as in most, are a breakaway. What that means is by simply releasing these 2 thumb nuts, I can take it off the machine for maintenance. This comes with probably the best material for floors is Lanatex squeegee. You've got multiple edges, so as it wears, I take the band off using a simple latch, and then I can flip it over to get more wear. But it's, again, very easy to service. They've got rollers on the corners, so it slides nicely along walls. They've got casters in the front as well, so that it rides smooth on the floor. Let me show you a little bit of how this machine works. As I said, battery powered. I simply turn on the key, give it a minute just to power up. And what you see immediately is you've got your battery indicator, so we have a full charge. And as the batteries go down, it'll go lower each of the dots until it's time to charge it. You have an hour meter there. Here's my speed control. As I said, this is a self-propelled traction drive machine. Really makes it easier and more productive for your associates. So if I'm just scrubbing, I want to go slow. If I'm transporting, I can go fast. Right here, we've got control of how fast the water is going to flow down to the brush when it's spinning. So I can increase it up to 4 levels for heavy scrubbing and where I need a lot of soap and water. Or I can reduce it for a light scrub on a nice tight floor. Hour meter, and then these brush here, buttons here. That one is going to turn the power on to the brush, but it won't turn unless I've dropped it down and I've touched one of these red paddles. That is going to do 2 things. 1, it'll turn on the brush. Number 2, it starts the machine moving. If I want to dry the floor, I have a separate button that turns on the vacuum motor. And the last button is when it's time, if you have a pad or a brush and you want to change it, by simply pushing that, it spins and it drops off. So now I could change the pad very easily. After I've done that, I simply roll the machine back over the pad or the brush, lower it down, give it a little twist, and now it's locked back on. So as you can see, not a lot of buttons, keep it very simple, but a lot of great features. So once I've activated the brush, the vacuum, drop the head down, drop the squeegee down, and when I touch either one of these pads, I'm off and scrubbing. If I get to a point that I need to back up, you always raise the squeegee. One of the things people forget, and they back up, which crunches the rubber under. but I raise it up, and by holding the center button, I now can go in reverse. Let go of the middle button, I go forward. Let go of all of them, the machine stops. Okay, so that kind of gave you an overview of this machine, which is the Viper 5160 20-inch machine. Viper, part of the advanced division. And as you saw, there's a lot of value in this machine, in this category. Features, benefits that you're not going to find on other brands. All of that for under $5,000, and with Nilfisk, as their other brands, a 5-year mechanical parts warranty. Very unusual in our marketplace, and again, just shows you the build quality and the value of a machine like this. Any questions? Please give us a call. Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.